How to delete stickers on iPhone. To delete stickers on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Then, you will land in the inbox. Here, you can view all the messages you've received and sent. From here, you need to open any message. Once you're in, tap on the chat box at the bottom. Now, tap on the plus icon over here. After that, you need to tap on the stickers option. Select a sticker to remove. Press and hold the sticker that you want to remove. Then, tap on the remove button as soon as it appears. There you go, you have successfully removed a sticker from your iPhone. Now, you can just repeat the procedure and remove as many stickers as you want. So by following these steps, you can easily delete stickers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.